Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of maternity essentials, focusing on a must-have for expecting mothers, the Momcozy pregnancy pillow. Looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift for the pregnant mom in your life? Look no further. The Momcozy pregnancy pillow is not just any pillow. It's a game changer for expecting mothers. Crafted with care and designed for comfort, this U-shaped full-body maternity pillow is a sanctuary of support for soon-to-be moms. Let's delve deeper into why it's the ultimate choice for expecting mothers. First off, let's talk about support. This pillow isn't just for show, it's engineered to provide comprehensive support for every part of the body. From the head to the feet, it cradles and cushions, promoting better blood circulation and relieving pressure points. But here's the best part: versatility. The Momcozy pregnancy pillow isn't limited to just sleeping. It's flexible enough to adapt to different positions and activities. Whether it's lounging, nursing, or catching up on your favorite TV show, this pillow has your back, quite literally. And let's not forget about durability. Made with premium materials, this pillow is built to last. Night after night, it maintains its shape and support, ensuring a restful sleep for months to come. So, if you're on the hunt for the perfect gift for the expecting mom in your life, look no further than the Momcozy pregnancy pillow. With its unbeatable comfort, support, and durability, it's truly the gift that keeps on giving. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy shopping!